In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of tasks in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your tasks stand out with colors that match your workflow, making your schedule clearer at a glance. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're looking at the calendar for the account where the task lives, especially if you switch between personal and work calendars. You can view this in day, week, or month view, whatever makes it easiest to spot the task you want to update. Next, click on an existing task. Tasks look a little different from events. They typically include a small checkbox. If you have a crowded calendar, zoom in on the day or use the search bar to find the task title. Clicking the task opens a small preview with basic details. From that preview, select the pencil icon. This opens the full editing page where you can adjust everything about the task. The pencil is your gateway to more detailed controls, including the color options we're after. On the edit page, scroll to the bottom and click on your name or the calendar label shown there. This spot represents the calendar the task belongs to. Selecting it reveals settings tied to that calendar entry, including color choices. It may show the name of your task's calendar or your account name, depending on your setup. Now choose the event color you want. You'll see a palette of preset colors. Pick one that will be easy to recognize on your schedule and that contrasts well with your calendar's background. A helpful tip is to assign consistent meanings to colors, like blue for deep work, green for personal tasks, or red for deadlines, so your brain knows what it's looking at right away. If you're colorblind or prefer high contrast, choose darker or lighter shades that stand out clearly. Finally, click Save. Your task color will update on the main calendar, and you should notice the change immediately. If you're organizing multiple tasks, repeat the same process for each one to create a coherent color scheme across your week. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar, click your task, hit the pencil to edit, select your calendar name at the bottom, choose a color, and save. With just a few clicks, your task list becomes far more visual and much easier to prioritize. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more colorful, more organized calendar.